want to show you how to upgrade a space from this to this with peel and stick wallpaper. Hey, my name's Liz and I am obsessed with all things DIY. First, pick out a print that you absolutely love. You'll need a wallpaper smoother and a utility knife. By the way, a laser level is going to make this project a million times easier. The first panel will probably be the hardest one to hang, but I found painter's tape to be super helpful and basically like a second set of hands. Remove about 16 inches from the wallpaper backer and use your wallpaper smoother to push it up into the crease of the ceiling. Continue removing the backer and smoothing out the wallpaper, and pretty soon your first panel will be done. Each panel will need to be cut a little bit longer than the actual wall height, and you'll need to make sure that your pattern aligns before you make each cut. From here, it's wash, rinse, and repeat, and you can really start to see your vision come to life. Use your utility knife to trim off the excess wallpaper at the top and the bottom. When you reach an outlet, just use your utility knife to cut around it as well. I still can't believe I installed all this wallpaper in one day. If you need a sign to jump on the wallpaper trend, this is it. Would you do this in your home? Follow along to see how the rest of the nursery turns out.